Do not touch must be a terrifying thing to read in Braille.
the most incredible day.
I smoke like 4 different type of weeds. Call it the mega blunt.
More stoned than I'd want to be if I had to leave the house, which I had to do. It's like a chill, like everything's okay, kind of high.
I can feel my skeleton right now. Oh man, a unicorn. And then you could just like kick back up into the clouds.
The animal I relate to most would probably be a little sleepy sloth. But oh my God, are you kidding? Oh my God!
They do what they gotta do all the time. What? I'm so sorry. Are you not allowed to yell at these? Oh, sloth? Thanks.
What?
I don't know, maybe a whale. I'd be a whale, like Shamu. You know? Free Willy, I don't know. I might be Free Willy. Big Willy. Oh, snap. That's a sloth.
Oh man, dude. An absolute unicorn. This is like a unicorn moment right now. This is a unicorn.
I've never felt more magic in my life. I said sloth and then a sloth was here.
There's sloths that live in Los Angeles?
I'm high, you look high.
Well, that's so neat.
Whoa, that's the Matrix.
It's its own hammock.
God, he's just living my dream life. Hanging and snacking.
You eat sweet potatoes? I know you was tight.
You've got hair like a champion.
Look at his fucking nails.
Peacing out with a hook hand eating apple. That's pimp vibes right there.
This is like the closest thing to my wildest dreams coming true.
When that sloth came out, I just felt straight up warmth, like through my body. Just warmth. It was like, what? It's such a, like, look at it could be in Cirque du Soleil. Like, it's so, just warmth.
We should have Sloth Appreciation Day. Month.
Can you imagine if it was the NBA halftime show and the announcer goes, and your next contestant for the NBA shootout sweepstakes is Sarah! And it's like this cute little blonde girl. She comes out and the crowd's cheering her on. She's super pumped about it. She's smiling and shit. And the announcer goes, all Sarah has to do is make sure LeBron James doesn't score a single point against her. And if he does, we're gonna set her mommy and daddy on fire! And she's like, what? And her mom and dad come out from underground, tied up to stakes, and they're like gagged up and shit. And like some henchman like pulls down the dad's like cloth or whatever, and he's like, Sarah, it's okay. And without a warning, LeBron's just like, ah!